Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a Godaddy domain to Base44. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, head on over to base44.com and sign into your account. Now once we sign into our account, click onto apps. Now choose the app where you'd like to connect a Godaddy domain to. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Little Sprouts Monitor for this demonstration. Now, once we're inside of here, we want to go ahead, it's going to be on preview, click onto dashboard. Now, once we're inside of dashboards, click onto the domain tab, and on the right hand side, it's going to say domain. So we can buy, connect, and manage your domains. Now, built-in domain, that's the one I'm currently using at the moment. Now, if you want to use a custom domain, you can. So custom domains are available on our builder plan and above. So we need to upgrade to connect your domain to this app. So basically, you got to go ahead and view plans and upgrade. Now, once we've chosen a plan, what we can do is come back to the app and then click onto edit URL. Now, at the moment, I can't click change, but from here, we can go ahead and click onto change. So I'm just on a help article from a doc.base44. So basically, setting up your custom domain. So if I scroll down here, so buying a domain from Base44, if you want to purchase a domain, you can, but this is the guide, not for that. Now, we want to go ahead and look at this connecting an external domain. So this is going to be from Godaddy. So we can use a domain managed by another provider by updating your DNS records as shown in your Base44 dashboard. So basically we want to go ahead and go to your dashboard in your app editor, click on domains, connect your domain, then enter your domain name. So if I come back here, we want to go ahead and click on the edit URL, click onto change, and then put in that domain you want to use from Godaddy. Then we need to go ahead and configure the DNS at your registrar or DNS host. So we can choose the setup type below that matches what domain provider supports. So we can use a name or alias for your root domain. So this is recommended. So we want to set your root domain to point directly to Base44 while keeping it flexible if Base44 updates its infrastructure later. So you want to go ahead and this is the root domain and then the subdomain. Then from here, we want to go ahead and verify your domain. So click onto dashboard in your app editor, click on domains, and then click onto verify. Now from here, we need to allow up to 2 to 3 days for DNS propagation if you use an external register like Godaddy or a DNS host.